Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now, we're doing a series on parables. So, if you have ears for ear, may I beg you to listen good. And if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with at least one more person. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 4 from verse 30 to verse 34. Jesus asked the people them again, what we can say God kingdom turn like? Or what kind of story we can use to help people understand it? It come in like one little seed where somebody plant in the ground. It little than all other seed. But when it plants, it grow and get big, bigger than all of the plant them were in the garden. It send out some big limb, and the wild bird them build them nests in it. So Jesus used enough little story like them to teach them all what they could understand. Everything him tell them, him use story to tell them. But when in them amongst him special follower them, him broke down everything to them to make them understand. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.